The text command in AUTOFLUID requires you to select the relevant item first. This item is aware of the name of the network it belongs to and its pipe size. Tick the relevant boxes to enter the text you wish to insert and choose the format. Then you can place the text. Click to confirm and select the next item you wish to inform. Each time, you can adapt the text format to the context of the item. Confirm again to restart the command. Select the relevant item, choose your text and format, and then place it. The text plus command allows you to choose the text to insert and then select one or more networks with a group selection. The modify command allows you to adapt text to further modifications. This is the modify command. You can move text. The leader line will follow automatically. You can move the leader line to point to a different part of the object. You can move the text and the leader line together. By clicking on the text, you can modify the content of the text box. In this case, the format will adjust automatically. Here I can set the text on 2 lines and the formatting adapts. This is the benefit of using the modify command to change text.